beautiful babes. From time to time, you know I have to switch up my skincare game. And when I do that, I always like to share it with my beautiful babes so that you all will know exactly what I'm using and how I'm using products. So today I want to introduce to you the Meticulous brand by UB Super. These products were gifted to me by Meticulous, and I wanted to let you know that for the last month I have been using these products and my skin feels great. Science meets nature to become Meticulous skincare, where whole food, plant-based ingredients provide truly efficacious results. Meticulous Skincare is passionate about making high-quality skincare using natural ingredients, and you know I love that. But also they use advanced technologies that, when combined, slow down the aging process and produce outer radiance and transforms our skin so that it looks and feels amazing. Let me just take a moment to tell you about the products that I was sent by Meticulous. First, I use the Ultralift Revitalizing Eye Cream. This eye cream really gives me some great results. It's a hyper-focused density of powerful antioxidants that provide daily repair to help reduce the appearance of dark circles and also wrinkles. This Ultra Lift Revitalizing Eye Cream is made up of the primary ingredients of niacinamide, peptide complex, and also cannabidiol. It helps to significantly improve the appearance of sagging. So if you're dealing with wrinkling and glycation, this is definitely one you might want to check out. It's designed using an array of specific ingredients to reduce puffiness, and I have always talked about my issues with puffiness and inflammation. So it helps to reduce the appearance also of dark circles as well. Now I use this twice a day. You can use it once or twice. I use it in the morning as well as at night and apply it under my eyes and around the brow area as well. So next up is the Antioxidant Defense Serum. Let's talk about this highly concentrated blend of antioxidants that repairs and prevents oxidative cellular damage. This one also contains the cannabidiol, but it also contains 15% of L-ascorbic acid and verite aqua resveratrol. Now with this one, I am doing right now my daytime skincare routine. This is the only time I use the Antioxidant Defense Serum, just once in the morning after I clean my face, and I apply about 5 to 6 drops to my face after it dries. I apply it to my face, my neck, my chest. And also, I wanted to share with y'all how this one works. It's a synergistic blend of antioxidants formulated to include specific cannabinoids, verite aqua resveratrol, fulvic acid, trace mineral complex, and other ingredients like vitamin C and E with ferulic acid. It's designed to neutralize free radicals and also enhance protection against damaging UVA and UVB rays while preventing premature signs of aging. Amazing products. I tell you what, super excited about having these products from Meticulous in my arsenal now. And let's go ahead and talk about nighttime, what I would use. I won't be applying this now, but let's talk about this moisturizer. So for the moisturizer, it is the Meticulous Anti-Inflammatory Molecular Repair Cream. It's a combination of carotenoids and polyphenols designed to repair the effects of daily environmental exposure. It contains cannabidiol, astaxanthin, and retinol. Yes, this has retinol in it. So that is an amazing ingredient that I've been talking about over the last few weeks or so on Beauty by Sweet Angel on Keeping It Cute with Sweet Angel. If you follow me, you already know. It's specifically formulated. This anti-inflammatory molecular repair cream by Meticulous is specifically formulated to combat daily environmental damage while reducing inflammation. As mentioned, it's designed with an array of powerful ingredients, even including hyaluronic acid. This nighttime cream reduces puffiness and restores hydration while also creating firmness and visible radiance. As I mentioned, this is for the nighttime only, and it is after you've cleansed your face. Apply a generous amount of it to your entire face, neck, and chest area, and it will definitely do the skin good. Now, since we finished with the nighttime moisturizer, let's get to the daytime and finish up my skincare routine. So this, beautiful babes, is the Meticulous Advanced Hydrating Moisturizer. It's a proprietary blend of essential nutrients that deeply nourishes, hydrates, and replenishes the skin. And it's also loaded with the cannabidiol, ceramide complex, and tremella mushroom. Now, this is one that I use for my daytime moisturizer. Now, I wanted to mention also that I do apply a sunscreen after I've completed these steps as well, so keep that in mind. I can use this one once or twice a day. However, I usually just use it as my daytime moisturizer. I apply it all over my entire face, neck, and chest. And I also, as I mentioned to you, for best results, I use my Meticulous Antioxidant Defense Serum as well. Now, this particular moisturizer is formulated to counteract the visible effects of moisture loss, collagen breakdown, and also damage caused by free radicals. It will help to target daily inflammatory pressures while also optimizing nourishing hydration. And this, y'all, is my latest and my greatest daytime skincare routine, and everything that I've shown here is also listed in the description box. I love these products so much that I am a Meticulous affiliate, so it is an affiliate link. I'd love it if you shop my link. If not, you can easily research and find the site for Meticulous and shop away yourself. And if I have any discount codes, I will also share those with my beautiful babes. Y'all, thank you so much for hanging out with me so I can share these amazing products with you. Love them so much. And this is a complete skincare routine that you can implement right away. No guessing, no trying to figure out. It's all laid out, and it will help address the majority of the needs your skin may have. I'm Sweet Angel, signing out for now. Thank you so much for coming to hang out with me. I really do appreciate you. If you want to stay in touch with me, all you have to do is subscribe. Be in the know each and every time I upload just by turning on your bell notification. If you enjoyed today's video and found some new delights for your skin, make sure you let me know by dropping a like or putting some hearts down in the comments. I'll see you on the next one, beautiful babes. Take care now. Mwah. Bye.